Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming system requirements and freeing up at least 10 GB of disk space. This prevents mid-install failures. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account to link your license and settings. Next, download the Visual Studio Installer Edition you need. Community is free for most users. Make sure to run the installer as administrator so it can register components. You're now ready for the installer to present workload choices, which we'll pick in the next step. You'll now pick workloads tailored to your projects. Choose only what you need because each workload adds GBs. Once you select a workload, click individual components to add or remove SDKs, runtimes, and language packs. This is how you control disk use and build targets. Make sure the install path points to a drive with enough free space, and enable the download cache if you want offline reuse. Finally, start install and monitor progress. Allow time for background package configuration. You should launch Visual Studio and sign in so your theme, key bindings, and settings sync across devices. Once open, create a small test project to confirm templates, compilers, and the debugger function correctly. Make sure extensions and updates are applied, and add any additional workloads you missed. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Run the Visual Studio installer's repair option first. If that fails, clear the installer cache and review the installer logs for error codes so you can take
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.